Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Subnautica 2 and the game is crashing on launch, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Subnautica 2 crashing on launching easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your game files are fully validated. So you're going to open up your game's platform, Steam for me. You're going to right click on your Subnautica 2, go into properties, install files, and then click verify entirety of game files here. After that, you're going to close this up and then you're going to go to your Subnautica 2's games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, from file 86. Steam Apps, Common, Subnautica 2, right click on the Subnautica 2 exe file. Your exe file's name may be different. Click Properties then, Compatibility then, and then you're going to click Run this program as an administrator and also click Disable Full Screen Optimizations. After that, click Apply, OK, and then now you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers to the latest version. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'm going to show you AMD first and then I'll show you Intel and NVIDIA. You're going to click onto Resources and Support. Drivers then, you're going to scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit, and this fix is only for AMD, but what you're going to do here is you're going to install the latest drivers on your computer and try and check if that fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then the next thing you can try to do is you're going to come back into this window, click previous versions here, and then you're just going to download the second last version here. So this AMD Adrenalin 26.3.1, you're going to download this driver on your computer and install it, and that will most definitely fix your issue on AMD. Now onto Intel, you're going to go into intel.com here. You're going to click on to support then, and then download center. You're going to click on to graphics. You're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A380 for example. You're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer and install them. Now onto NVIDIA, go on to nvidia.com, click drivers, and then you're going to fill in this manual driver search form here. Select your graphics card along with the model and your operating system. Click find then, and then it will find you the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. You're going to install the drivers on your computer. After you're done installing the drivers, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now when you come here and try to play Subnautica 2, you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face those startup problems anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.